Hello. All right, I'm going to teach you how to make nice drink. What it is it's kind of like ice cream, but it's with bananas. And so, if you don't like bananas, you might not like this recipe. But what you're going to need is milk, soy milk, almond, whatever milk you choose. And so you're going to need frozen bananas. So these right here are frozen. Let me, whoops, pretty hard. Frozen. Okay. This is almond milk. I kind of prefer almond for things like this. Soy tends to be kind of thick, and some people can't do soy. So, okay. So, what you need is a standard blender, just like this. You can even use a food processor. So, you don't need a food processor, but if you don't have a blender, you definitely need a food processor. Anywho, so you take your milk. You don't have to shake it up because obviously it's gonna shake up. You don't put a lot in there, maybe about that much, and then you put your bananas in it. You don't want to do too much. If you want it to be kind of sweet, you can put some agave in it. You can put some honey in it. You can put sugar in it, but that kind of takes away from it being natural. So anyway, you started on a low setting. Don't start it high because you might mess up your blender. So we're gonna start it on low. We're gonna put it on. Now you're gonna have to kind of stir it up. So all right, so there you have it. That's the first part of it. And then what you do is you pour it in your bowl. See, I get that. It looks like ice cream, doesn't it? Mmm, num num. Num num good. Alright. Then we move on to step 2. And step 2 is just putting it back into the freezer. Now you can eat it right now, put your toppings on it. But I like to put it back into the freezer. Well, you actually can do it 2 ways. You can put your toppings on it now and then put it in the freezer, or you could put it in the freezer and put your toppings in it after it gets a little bit more frozen. So it is up to you how you want to do it.
Alright, so we have our ice cream and we have these toppings. So we have these carrot chips up here. They're vegan. So I'm gonna pour a little. Make sure your hands are clean. those on them. And that's probably good. So we did that. And now we have our sliced almonds right here. Open these up. We're going to do the same thing like we did with the carrot chips. Have to make it healthy as possible. Okay, so we have that. Now we have our pumpkin seeds right here. Alright, we have those, and now we have these sunflower seeds.
All the sandwiches I made, that was just...
Okay. Now we have these flax seeds. I'm just going to take the top. It's just kind of hard. Alright, we have that. Now we're going to put a little of some vanilla extract. And we have our honey right here. And that's it. I hope you enjoy your ice cream.
Alrighty. We're not gonna show that one.